Revision of Chapter 8. Some important questions. Let us recall it.
If f of x, a polynomial in x, is divided by x minus a, the remainder is equal to f of a. If the remainder f of a is equal to 0, then x minus a is a factor of f of x. Factors always leave the remainder 0. Given f of x is equal to x cube plus 2x squared minus 5ax minus 7 divided by x minus 1 leaves the remainder a, and g of x cube plus ax squared minus 12x plus 16 divided by x plus 2 leaves the remainder b, and asking you to find out the value of a. If find the value of a if 2a plus b is equal to 0. This one is given, okay, in the question. So we have two polynomials, x cube plus 2x squared minus 5ax minus 7 and x cube plus ax squared minus 12x plus 16. And this algebraic expression divided by x minus 1 leaves the remainder a. And this one divided by x plus 2 and leaves the remainder b. We have to find the value of a if 2a plus b is equal to 0. This is given in the question. Okay. And you know f of x is equal to remainder. Right? Okay. And what is the remainder? That is a. And f of x value is 1. So write f of 1. Okay. And now put this 1 in the polynomial. Okay. So 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square minus 5ax 5a into 1 minus 7 is equal to a. 1 plus 2 minus 5a minus 7 is equal to a. So minus 5a minus 4 is equal to a. Okay. Keep it 1. And now take this one. G of x is equal to remainder, and g of minus 2. What is the value of x? Minus 2. Remainder is b. Now put the value of x in the algebraic expression. Okay. So minus 2 whole cube plus a into minus 2 whole square minus 12 into minus 2 plus 16 is equal to b. Minus 8 plus 4a plus 24 plus 16 is equal to b. 24, 30, 40. Okay. So 40 minus 8 plus 4a is equal to b. And you will get 32 is it plus 4a is equal to b. This one is, and what is given in the question? 2a plus b is equal to 0. Given. Now put the value of a, substitute the value of a and 2 minus 5a minus 4 plus 32 plus 4a is equal to 0. Minus 10a minus 8 plus 32 plus 4a is equal to 0. Then minus 6a plus 24 is equal to 0. Then 24 is equal to 6a. A is equal to 24 upon 6. You will get 6 4s are 24. So a is equal to 4. This is the answer. In the question, it is given a minus 1 x cube plus a plus 1 x squared minus 2a plus 1 x minus 15. And they said 3x plus 5 is a factor. In the question, it is given 3x plus 5 is a factor. So get the x value now. X is equal to minus 5 upon 3. Remainder is equal to 0. Why remainder is equal to 0? Because 3x plus 5 is a factor. And you know factor leaves the remainder 0. Now put x value. Put x is equal to minus 5 upon 3 in the given expression. So a minus 1 into minus 5 upon 3 whole cube plus a plus 1 minus 5 upon 3 whole square minus 2a plus 1 minus 5 upon 3 minus 15 is equal to 0. Calculate and you will get a is equal to 4. What you will get? A is equal to 4. Now put a values in the given expression. 4 minus 1. A minus 1 no. So 4 minus 1 x cube. A plus 1. 4 plus 1 x squared. 2 into a. So 2 into 4 plus 1 x minus 15. Then you will get 3x cube plus 5x squared minus 9x minus 15. So the given equation will become 3x cube plus 5x squared minus 9x minus 15. Okay. Now in the question, what is given? Factorize completely. Factorize completely. So you have to divide it. 3x cube plus 5x squared minus 9x minus 15 by 3x plus 5. Okay. And you will get the quotient x squared minus 3 and the remainder 0. Okay. So first you will multiply x squared with 3x plus 5. You will get 3x cube plus 5x squared. Do the subtraction. You will get minus 9x minus 15. So multiply by minus 3 with 3x plus 5. You will get minus 9x minus 15. Do the subtraction. Answer become 0. Okay. Then 3x cube plus 5x squared minus 9x minus 15. We can write divisor into quotient. 3x plus 5. 3x plus 5 into x squared minus 3. And this is in the form of a squared minus b squared. We have to take it. So 3 can we write under root 3 whole square. These two will be equal to each other only, no? Under root 3 whole square is equal to 3. So I am writing 3 as under root 3 whole square. Why? To get identity a square minus b square. Now a plus b, a minus b. So what is that? Factors. 3x plus 5, x plus under root 3, x minus under root 3. Okay, this is the answer. x cube minus px squared plus x plus 6 and 2x cube minus x squared minus p plus 3x minus 6. Two polynomials are given. Okay. Divided by x minus 3. Both are divided by x minus 3. Leaves the same remainder. Leaves the same remainder. So we can take the remainder be r. F of x is equal to r and g of x is equal to r. That is remainder. And x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3. You got the x value 3. As the remainders are equal, same remainder, we can write f of x is equal to g of x. Both the polynomials are equal to each other since remainders are same. Now put the x value. X is equal to 3, no? Put x is equal to 3 and calculate. You will get the answer t is equal to 1. Put x is equal to 3. Therefore, f of 3 is equal to g of 3. Now, both the expressions are equal to each other and calculate. You will get the answer t is equal to 1. What is the answer? T is equal to 1. It is given f of x is equal to 2x cube plus x squared minus 13x plus 6. Using the remainder theorem, factorize completely. Using the remainder theorem, factorize completely. So, any divisor is given? No divisor is given. We have to find out the factor. So, you can take x value either plus or minus 1 or plus or minus 2 or plus or minus 3. When you will take x is equal to 1 or minus 1 or 2 or minus 2, 3 or minus 3, in any one part, you will get the remainder is equal to 0. Okay. So, I am taking x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. And in the place of x, I am putting the value of 2. See, 2 into 2 cube plus 2 square minus 13 2 plus 6 and calculate 26 minus 26. So what will be the answer? Remainder is equal to 0. Okay, I got the remainder 0. As the remainder is equal to 0, x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. What is this f of x? The polynomial. Okay, 2x cube plus x squared minus 13x plus 6. Okay, now in the question it is given factorize completely. So divide the f of x by x minus 2. You will get 2x cube plus x squared minus 13x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. The quotient you will get 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. See the calculation? Okay. And then you have to factorize completely. So this equations or expressions we can write like this. X minus 2 into 2x squared plus 5x minus 3. Divisor into quotient. Again it is in the quadratic form. So split the middle term. X minus 2, x plus 3, 2x minus 1. Understood? Using the remainder theorem, find the value of k if on dividing 2x cube plus 3x squared minus kx plus 5 by x minus 2. Leaves the remainder 7. the question it is given, this expression is divided by x minus 2, leaves the remainder 7. Leaves the remainder 7. So get the x value. X is equal to 2. You got it? And then f of x is equal to 7. F of x is equal to 7. Since remainder is equal to 7. Now in the place of x, put 2. Okay. In the place of x, put the x value. And do the calculation, you will get k is equal to 13. What is the value of k? K is equal to 13. X cube minus 8x squared plus 4x plus 7. And they said 2x plus 1 will become a factor if some values subtracted from this expression. Okay, so which value we have to subtract, we don't know. So let us take that number to be subtracted be k. Okay, the number to be subtracted is k. I have taken. So the polynomial becomes 16x cube minus 8x squared plus 4x plus 7 minus k. This expression is divided by 2x plus 1 and leaves the remainder 0. And leaves the remainder 0. Since 2x plus 1 is a factor of this. F of minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 0. And put x value minus 1 upon 2 in the expression and calculate. You will get k is equal to 1. What you will get? K is equal to 1. That is the answer.